Good morning everyone, myself Sandeepa K, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the topic Rectification of Errors. In this video, we shall work out problem number 6, which already appeared in the examination, which carries 6 marks. Please see problem number 6. Pass journal entries to rectify the following errors. There are 6 items given in the problem. You have to rectify the errors without suspense account. Understand? Please see point number 1, note 1. Rupees 5,000 received in respect of a book debt was posted to sales account. When book debt received, entry cash account detailed to debtors account, 5,000, 5,000. Understand? But this entry wrongly posted to sales account. Wrongly posted to which account? Sales account. Understand? This is a mistake committed in sales account. This is a mistake committed in sales account. Understand? You already know this one. This is one-sided error. Understand? Please see sales account. We wrongly credited to sales account by cash account 5,000. Okay. Wrongly credited. To rectify this error, we have to debit 5,000. Understand? The rectification should be made without passing journal entry because it is one-sided error. Understand? Yes, please see rectification entry. This is one-sided error that affect only one account, which is sales account. So no journal entry needed to be passed for the rectification of this error. This error can be rectified by debiting sales account with rupees 5,000. Debiting sales account with rupees 5,000. Understand? Note 2. Defective goods worth rupees 400 returned to P were recorded through the sales return book. A wrong entry passed in the sales return book instead of purchases return book. We returned goods to Mr. P. If any goods returned to P, entry, right entry, P's account detail to purchases returns account, 400, 400. But this entry was recorded in sales return book. Entry, wrong entry, sales return account detail to P's account, 400, 400. Completed. How do you rectify this error? First of all, we shall correct the mistake made in the books. Okay. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಪೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನದು? ಪೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 400 to sales return account 400. Understand? Next, write down right entry. P's account detail to purchases returns account. P's account detail to purchases returns account 400. Okay, please see P's account. P's account ನಲ್ಲಿ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 800 ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಪೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ 800 to sales return account 400 to purchase return account 400. Understand? Being a wrong entry passed in the sales return book instead of purchase return book, now rectified. Next, note number 3. Goods sold for rupees 2,600 to B were returned to us and recorded in the sales book. Goods sold for rupees 2,600 to B were returned to us. It means sales return recorded in sales book. Sales return recorded in sales book. Okay. If there is any sales return entry, sales return account detail to B's account. Okay, we already sold goods to B. Okay, he returned to us. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು 2600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನದು? ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಬೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಬೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, this entry wrongly recorded in sales account, understand, or sales book. Okay, entry B's account detail to sales account. Understand? How do you rectify this error? First of all, we correct the mistake made in the book. Okay, first of all, write reverse entry. Okay, reverse entry, sales account detail to B's account, sales account detail 2600 to B's account, don't write amount. Understand? Next, write the correct entry, sales return account detail to B's account, sales return account detail 2600 to B's account, 2600 plus 2600, how much? 5200 credited to B's account. If you credit 5200 to B's account, then B's account shows a credit balance of rupees, how much? 2600. Understand? Narration being a wrong entry passed in the sales book instead of sales return book, rectified. Next, number 4, a purchase of rupees 4200 from X on the last day of the year was taken into stock, but the invoice was not passed through the purchase book. According to this transaction, on the last day of the year, we purchased goods from X. Okay, this already included in the stock but not recorded in the purchase book. Understand? Now pass rectification entry. Okay, if purchases not recorded in purchase book, entry purchase account debtor 4200 to X's account 4200. Okay, we have to pass one entry relating to credit purchase of goods from X. Entry purchase account detail to X's account 4200 4200. Being purchased from X, not recorded, rectified. Next, note number 5, point number 5, wages paid for the installation of machinery were debited to wages account rupees 2600. Wages paid for the installation of machinery is capital expenditure shown as revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure anna revenue expenditure anta ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Wrongly debited to wages account. Okay, before rectifying entry, you should know what is right entry. Understand? Right entry, when wages paid for the installation of machinery, entry machinery account detail to cash account. Cash goes out. We correctly credited to cash account. Leave it. Okay, understand? Correct ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, wrong entry. This entry recorded in wages account instead of machinery account. Machinery account ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? wages account ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. It means wages account wrongly debited 2600. Okay, don't worry about credit. Okay, yes, how do you rectify this error? Okay, first of all, we shall correct the mistake. Wages account wrongly debited. Okay, wages account ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ 2600, ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? wages account ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Understand? 2600. If you credit wages account by rupees 2600, then wages account shows zero balance. Understand? Okay, which account has to be debited? Machinery account shall be debited. Okay, yes, write down machinery account debtor 2600 to wages account 2600. Next, narration being a wrong debit given to wages account instead of machinery account, now rectified. Next, number 6. Salaries paid rupees 3000 was recorded twice. Salaries paid rupees 3000 was recorded twice. When salaries paid entry, salary account entered to cash account. Okay, salaries account entered to cash account. First we record this entry in cash book or cash account. Okay, it will appear on the credit side of cash account. By salaries account 3000. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, but we recorded twice. By salaries account 3000. Okay, completed. If any mistake made in subsidiary book, then we can see mistake in posting it to the ledger. Okay, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಸಹ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3000. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3000 completed. This is correct entry, but we recorded twice. Understand? Okay, ಎರಡು ಸಾರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3000. Okay, we committed mistake in cash account as well as salaries account. Okay, ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. How do you rectify this error? Okay, please see cash account. Okay, by salaries 3000 correct ಇದು. Understand? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಬೈ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ 3000. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, 3000 ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟರ್ 3000. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3000 correct, but to cash account 3000, this one second entry is wrong. Understand? How do you rectify this error? Okay, how much amount wrongly debited, that has to be credited. Understand? ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 3000 ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, 3000 ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ rupees 3000. Understand? Write down. To salaries account or to salary account, to salaries account 3000. Understand? Completed. Rectification entry. Cash account enter 3000 to salaries account 3000. Being salary paid recorded twice in the cash book, rectified. Okay, salaries paid recorded twice in the cash book, rectified. These are some information relating to problem number 6. Thank you.